Want to bottle that morning brew magic for your own newsletter audience? Let's dive in. The secret to Morning Brew's success lies in its irresistible blend of conversational tone, smart storytelling, and digestible content euros, all delivered with a touch of wit and the good news. You can absolutely replicate this on Beehiiv. First, let's nail the tone. Think of yourself as having a chat with a smart, funny friend. Morning Brew uses lighthearted introductions, relatable analogies, and often a bit of self-deprecating humor. Start your emails with a hook that grabs attention. Then immediately set that friendly, informal tone. For example, instead of a dry announcement, try something like, "Hey, coffee-loving subscribers, buckle up because today's news is a doozy." Next, it's all about structure and digestibility. Morning Brew breaks down complex topics into short, easy-to-understand chunks. Use headings, subheadings, and bullet points liberally within Beehiiv. Keep paragraphs short euros. Even one sentence can be effective. Think of it as presenting your audience with bite-sized nuggets of information they can easily swallow, not a dense academic paper. Storytelling is key. Morning Brew doesn't just report facts. They weave narratives. Start with a question, a surprising statistic, or a relatable anecdote to draw readers into a story. In Beehiiv, this means crafting an engaging intro to each section that hints at what's to come. Use an active voice and vivid language to keep the reader hooked. Humor is their secret sauce. It's not about being a stand-up comedian, but more about injecting personality and a light perspective. Sprinkle in witty observations, clever puns, or relatable quips where appropriate. Morning Brew often uses humor to break down complex or potentially dry topics. Don't be afraid to let your own personality shine through in your writing within Beehiiv. Finally, remember the call to action. Just like Morning Brew, guide your readers on what to do next. Clearly and concisely, this could be visiting a link, replying to your email, or sharing the newsletter. By applying these techniques euros, conversational tone, digestible structure, storytelling, and humor euros, you can craft newsletters on Beehiiv that your subscribers will eagerly anticipate, just like they do their Morning Brew.